Hey guys, how to download game in laptop or PC. Want to play your favorite games on your laptop but don't know how to download them? What if I told you it only takes a few simple steps to get started? No errors, no confusion. Stay tuned, because I'll show you how to download any game on your laptop, the easy way. Now open Chrome and search GameLoop download, press enter, link in description, and click the top GameLoop website. And you see download GameLoop, click on it. And downloading was started, please wait. After that my downloading is completed, then click the show folder. After that this is GameLoop setup. Double click in this. And click the install. And then installation was started. And that's it, your game is now downloaded and ready to play. Enjoy smooth gameplay right on your laptop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more gaming tutorials. See you in the next one. Let's game smart.